Hi, Tony with LC Engineering, and we're back again with another product highlight. This one we make in-house. It is the GM 1-wire alternator bracket. Tools needed for the install: 3/8 drive ratchet, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, 17mm socket, and a 15mm wrench. Alright, I like to start by removing the upper bracket. There's a 12mm bolt here that also holds the dipstick to the block, and a 14mm bolt up front here that we'll be removing. And to keep with my process, we'll go ahead and install the upper bracket at this time, just so we're finishing up and moving on. The 12mm bolt that we removed earlier, make sure you keep it and put it back in place. It holds the dipstick to the block. Alright, using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove these 4 bolts on the alternator mounting bracket. Alright, now we are coming in with the lower bracket. Now, being that these are 2 bolts that are holding the engine mount perch, you want to make sure that you get those at factory spec, good and tight. Alright, got our GM 1-wire alternator. We're going to start out mounting it on the bottom on the pivot with the included bolt that comes in our kit. Get this, the front's a 17, back is a 15mm. I like to just go ahead and get it prepped most of the way down. You're still going to want to leave it loose. Alright, so we'll remove the bolt, tension bolts, 13mm head. I like to have a belt handy just because it will hold the alternator for you. With the 13mm socket, go ahead and get good tension. Set that down, and then with the 17 and on the back of 15, go ahead and tighten down the pivot bolt. Alright, in closing, one of the easiest ways to get a higher output alternator is to go with the GM 1-wire. They're readily available, they're very fairly priced. You can find our GM alternator bracket and many other performance parts on our website, lceperformance.com. If you have any questions or need any help, always feel free to reach out to us via phone or social media.